Welcome to AI Tools for Everyone, the channel where we break down how artificial intelligence is transforming different industries, professions, and the way we work. Today, we're diving into a trade that has stood the test of time, bricklaying. Now, you might be thinking, bricklaying is all about hands-on skill, right? True. It's one of the oldest and most essential crafts in construction. But today, AI is stepping in, not to replace bricklayers, but to enhance precision, speed, safety, and planning. Whether you're building a simple wall or an entire structure, AI tools can help with brick placement, material estimation, structural analysis, and even design planning. In this video, we'll break down the top AI tools bricklayers can use today, with real examples and explanations of how to apply them on site. AI in bricklaying, why it matters. Bricklaying isn't just stacking bricks, it's about precision, symmetry, load balance, and safety. Even a small misalignment can lead to structural weaknesses. Traditionally, these challenges are addressed through manual measuring, years of experience, and lots of physical labor. AI introduces automation, analysis, and predictive technology to improve accuracy, reduce waste, and streamline workflows, all while supporting skilled bricklayers to do their job better, faster, and more safely. Let's explore the tools. AI tools for brick placement assistance. 1. SAM100 Semi-Automated Mason. SAM100 is an AI-powered bricklaying robot designed to work alongside human masons. It's equipped with computer vision, AI algorithms, and robotic arms. How it works. SAM100 is pre-programmed with the building design. Using AI, it analyzes wall dimensions, calculates brick placement, and applies mortar with precision. It can lay over 3,000 bricks per day, compared to around 500 by hand. Bricklayers supervise, ensuring quality control, making adjustments, and handling complex areas. Why it's useful. Great for large-scale projects. Reduces physical strain. Ensures consistent brick lines and leveling. Bricklayers using SAM100 shift into supervisor and quality control roles, allowing AI to handle repetitive tasks while they focus on craftsmanship details. 2. FBR's Hadrian X, robotic AI bricklay. Hadrian X by FBR is a fully autonomous bricklaying robot powered by real-time AI planning. Features? Uses dynamic stabilization technology, DST, allowing it to work even in windy or moving conditions. AI software takes CAD models of buildings and translates them into bricklaying actions. Adjusts for on-site variables like terrain slope, foundation alignment, and weather. Example use. Deployed in commercial buildings and residential developments, laying entire wall sections faster than traditional teams. Reduces construction time by up to 70%. While Hadrian X is a high-tech investment, it's proving valuable in mass housing projects and infrastructure builds, where speed and precision are critical. 3. Construction Robotics MULE, Material Lifting Assistant. MULE, Material Unit Lift Enhancer, is an AI-supported exoskeleton designed to assist bricklayers with heavy lifting. How it helps. AI detects brick size, weight, and placement angle. Adjusts arm resistance and movement support to match the task. Allows bricklayers to handle larger blocks with less strain. This is ideal for large format masonry, such as concrete blocks or stone bricks. Benefit. Reduces risk of injury and fatigue. Improves placement accuracy using stabilized, AI-assisted arm movement. Helps extend the working life of bricklayers in a physically demanding trade. AI tools for structure analysis and planning. 1. Buildots AI Construction Monitoring. Buildots uses AI-powered helmet-mounted cameras to monitor construction sites in real time. How it works. As bricklayers work, the AI captures video and compares progress to the project's digital blueprint, BIM models. Detects misalignments, incomplete sections, or structural inconsistencies. Alerts bricklayers and site managers to correct issues immediately, avoiding costly rework later. Use case. On a wall project, Buildots detected 1-inch misalignment early, which prevented a structural defect that would have required demolition. It's like having a digital site supervisor, keeping everything on track with data-driven accuracy. 2. Spacemaker AI Design Planning Tool. Spacemaker helps architects and builders plan optimal layouts using AI, and it's incredibly useful for bricklayers involved in early-stage projects. Features: AI simulates sunlight, wind, noise, and load factors. Suggests best wall placements, material usage, and structural load points. Helps plan brick sizes, types, and arrangements for maximum efficiency and durability. Bricklayers can use Spacemaker-generated plans to optimize material orders, reduce waste, and prepare tools and techniques suited for the structure. 3. OpenSpace AI Our Visual Progress Tracking. OpenSpace AI uses 360-degree site cameras and AI algorithms to track construction progress. How it works: walk through the site with a helmet-mounted camera. AI maps the site, compares it to design specs, and shows where bricklaying is complete, in progress, or behind. Provides a color-coded progress map. Bricklayers and foremen use OpenSpace to verify wall completion, spot defects or missed areas, report accurate progress for payments or inspections. It improves workflow transparency and supports faster decision-making on site. AI for material estimation and waste reduction. 1. Autodesk Construction Cloud Smart Material Planner. Autodesk's AI platform helps with estimating materials accurately, calculating brick, mortar, and tool needs based on project scope, predicting waste reduction strategies using project data. Bricklayers benefit by ordering just the right amount of materials, reducing costs and site clutter, avoiding mid-project delays due to material shortages. 2. Hyper AI Construction Automation. Hyper is an AI platform for automating repetitive design and planning tasks. Features: analyzes project parameters, creates efficient wall layouts, and suggests brick patterns to minimize cuts and waste. Offers modular design suggestions for easier on-site construction. Use case: a bricklayer can input a wall dimension, and Hyper recommends a brick pattern that uses fewer cuts, saves time, and looks better. 3. XYZ Reality AR plus AI for precision. XYZ Reality combines AI with augmented reality (AR) to project designs directly onto the worksite. How it helps: bricklayers wear AR helmets to see the exact placement of each brick before laying it. AI corrects for environmental shifts or foundation settling, updating placement instructions in real time. This ensures flawless alignment, especially in complex structures or non-standard designs. Conclusion: AI is transforming bricklaying from a purely physical trade into a precision-driven, technology-enhanced craft. These tools, whether robotic assistants like SAM100, planning tools like Spacemaker, or site analysis systems like Buildots, empower bricklayers to work smarter, safer, and faster. AI doesn't replace skilled workers, it amplifies their abilities, reduces risk, and delivers better outcomes for clients. Which of these tools caught your attention the most? Are you interested in robotic assistance, material planning, or AR-based precision? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear how you see AI shaping construction. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Tools for Everyone, and share this with anyone in the construction industry who needs to see the future of bricklaying. Thanks for watching, and remember, with AI, even traditional crafts are getting a smarter foundation.